Happy day and prayer-filled greetings to my teachers, friends, students. Today's thought for the day is think positive, be positive. At this time of COVID-19 pandemic, where the whole world is struggling, let us build ourselves and contribute to the society by thinking positively to progress peacefully in life. We become what we think. Therefore, let us examine our thought process to live a happy, meaningful, and value-based life. To do this, we shall learn 3 mantras, 3 master key to peaceful progress in life. Accept the unchangeable, change the changeable, remove yourself from the unacceptable. To remember better, we shall use acronym or abbreviations like AU, CCRU. AU is equal to accept the unchangeable. CC is equal to change the changeable. RU is equal to remove yourself from the unacceptable. The first formula for peaceful progress in life is accept the unchangeable. We can do nothing about things that are unchangeable. The best way to deal with it is to accept it, since the power of acceptance leads to peaceful and positive life. When something happens the way I did not expect or wanted to happen, it makes me angry. But when something happens not the way I want and I'm able to accept that fact, it becomes tolerance. Situation is the same. My acceptance of it makes it tolerance, a positive emotion, and my non-acceptance of it makes angry, a negative emotion. For example, as a teacher in the classroom, a naughty student constantly disturbs and troubles you by not listening to you or by constantly not doing the homework. The non-acceptance of the situation will make you angry, which is of no use to you and to your student. But when you accept your student, there is tolerance. With your tolerance, acceptance, and understanding, the same student turns out to be your best student. Here, the situation is same, but your outlook to the situation has made the difference. When I'm facing uncertainties and I'm not able to accept it, it becomes fear. I blame others for my problem. Fear pulls me down. When I'm facing uncertainties and I'm able to accept it, yes, I'm going through problems and soon I will overcome them, it becomes adventure. With this outlook, you begin to solve your problem. For example, this time of COVID-19 pandemic is an uncertain time for all of us. There is fear of future among the students, teachers, parents, etc. In fact, whole human race is uncertain of what is next. Only solution is to accept the situation. With acceptance, negative emotion like uncertainty turns into adventure, a positive emotion. You begin to think positively and face the situations boldly. Miracle begins to happen. Somebody has something in life that I'm not able to have it, and I don't accept it, I become jealous. Somebody has something in life that I'm not able to have, and I accept it, it becomes inspiration. You begin to say to yourself, yes, one day I too will have, I too will achieve. Here, the situation is same, but way of thinking makes the difference. Somebody has hurt me and I am not able to accept it. It becomes hatred. You develop a hateful feeling towards that person which harms you and the other. When somebody has hurt me and I am able to accept it, it becomes forgiveness. Forgiveness frees the other and oneself. Remember, in all these things, something plus non-acceptance, a negative emotion, something plus acceptance, a positive emotion. Somebody is mentally present in my mind and physically absent, and I am not able to accept it. I will say I am missing him or her. Somebody is mentally present in the mind and physically absent, and I am able to accept it. I will say I am thinking of him or her. Therefore, listen to the emotional equation of life. Something plus acceptance is equal to positive emotion. Something plus non-acceptance is equal to negative emotion. The moment non-acceptance becomes acceptance, at that very instance, fear becomes adventure, jealousy becomes inspiration, hurt becomes forgiveness, missing becomes thinking. When you change, your life changes. It's not when the world changes, your life changes. We might think, this situation is making me angry, this incident is making me angry, but the truth is, my non-acceptance of the situation is making me angry. The second formula or mantra for peaceful progress in life is change the changeable. Keep changing in you all that needs to be changed. If you accept and change, you will be peacefully influencing lot of development into your life. You are the sole master of your life. As a student, when you accept the fact that I am not doing well in exam because I have not worked hard, acceptance will change your life. In the next exam, you will work even harder and you will achieve expected result. Therefore, whatever can be changed, keep changing. Be good, learn from your mistakes, lead a meaningful life, contribute to the society, be a change you want to see in the world. The third formula for peaceful progress in life is remove yourself from the unacceptable. There are instances in life that are unacceptable, that goes beyond our own moral values and principles. So, make a choice. Remove yourself from the unacceptable for the peaceful progress in life. Remember, removing oneself from the unacceptable has to be the final resort. Otherwise, you will turn out to be an escapist in life, running away from every difficult situation. You should remove yourself from the unacceptable situation after trying to change it for a long time. Actually, there is no point in remaining in the situation that cannot be changed or accepted. It is better to move away and execute the same energy to do something better. Imagine yourself in this situation. You are running to catch a taxi and the taxi driver has already lit a cigarette and is smoking. In this situation, nothing can be changed. He is smoking. Still, you insist on driver not to smoke while driving, and he says, I have already lit the cigarette and I will not stop smoking. Now, for you, this situation is unacceptable. There is no point in staying in that situation and making yourself sick. You cannot change the situation or the person. So you take the last step of moving yourself from the situation of catching another taxi to reach your destination. Let us, as one CJM family, follow these three magical formula to lead a peaceful life, progressive life. Let us be the change we want to see in the world. Let us love, accept and build ourselves to love, accept and build people around us. Have a wonderful and fabulous life. God bless you all.